Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, southern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles southeast of Duncan to 4 miles south of Hastings, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Duncan, Waurika, Comanche, Hastings, Loco, Addington, and Waurika Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.